marking?
Exactly.
Okay, we need a marker.
A marker? You're gonna
Alan's just going to let you write on this floor.
You don't have to tell it.
Okay, watch the distance that it reaches. So we're looking at right there.
Where's your top tip?
Can you tape this here?
Yeah.
I think it's not nailed in there, right? Put them in a couple of holes.
Oh, just tape.
And now we need to put the target there. Yeah, just like we need to hang this so that it can grab it. It's gonna move any second, by the way.
No.
Yeah.
No. Why don't you just tape it?
We can't grip that.
Why not? It's so small.
I have to change. See how the width is tiny here? I'll have to change it so that it grips that width.
Let it just compress on.
No, that's not how this works.
What's that thing, bro?
Any day now. I don't know why it does this. To be honest.
I think our demo's gonna be like 10 minutes because of this.
This does consume like an amp and a half doing this. So it isn't the best use of our power.
Should we charge it back and forth or no?
Yeah, we should. Sure. Great camera work, Max.
You know, just skip that part so it looks like it just grabs it and then goes down.
This is the target.
You started already? What? You started? Demonstration? Can I take?
Sure. Hey, give us an A as soon as ASAP. I mean, we're gonna get it anyway. So you can give it whatever you like.
So right now it's in a loop, trying to determine if it's grasping the object or not.
Wow, that's the best part of it.
But like any second now, I don't know how long does it usually
Do
take.
you have any sensor here?
No.
Yeah,
That's
I
the issue.
could have lent you like a SR so you can get.
Eventually though, it seems
That's what I use.
The day of demonstration, this guy offers, eh? Thanks, bro.
What?
maybe it won't go anywhere. Maybe it'll just stay here forever. Is this longer than last time? I touched it and it moved. All you do is touch that transistor. Not like
You don't have a timeout, so it stops.
It does, when it comes back.
So those are the marks that you use?
Yeah. This is 1 meter, that's 2 meter. That's the initial position.
Yo guys, I don't think it's gonna go.
It's the exact same notes. Why does it make sense? It's okay, man. Let's let it go. It's taking a lot of power.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my hand on myself.
Maybe it's a connection issue again.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
What is this? Oh, it was!
What's that?
Oh my god. You know what?
You ready to go?